How to link bank account to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to link bank account to Cash App. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the Profile option. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section here. Once you are here, make sure you tap this option named Linked Banks. Please take note that you have to first connect a debit card to your Cash App account before you get the feature for connecting banks. If you have not connected a debit card, you will get a page like the one you see here, so make sure you connect it by tapping here. After that, a page similar to this one will appear where you will see all the cards you have connected to your Cash App account. At the bottom, you will see an option named Link Bank. After that, this other page appears where you are provided with some information. You can read the information carefully to get a better understanding. Next, tap here Continue. After that, this other page will appear. On this page, you will see a list of all the banks that are available to you. Make sure you look for your banking institution from the list. You can also go to this search bar here and search for the bank name. After that, tap on it just like you can see here. After that, proceed and do just like I'm doing. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to link bank account to Cash App.